Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Thank you for watching. So today I'm going to be showing y'all this glueless install that I did with Unice hair. And y'all, when I mean glueless, I mean glueless. Like nothing, absolutely nothing. This wig is secure and I want y'all to see how I did it. When I tell y'all this wig is definitely preparing for the summer, it definitely is. No glue, no spray. And we are secure. This wig isn't going nowhere unless I want it to. Yeah. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching.
Dirty baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Early baby, later you can show me things. You know what it is when I visit. When you city, she blow me kisses, no love. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight?
These days, I'm letting die and allow things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. But fuck what they talking about, all your time now. Just cut it all into my time. Fuck what they talking about, all your time now. Just cut it all into my
You can hold my eyes. Now let's say you owe me something. Now let's say you owe me something.
If you guys like my shirt, I'm going to leave the website where you can find this and plenty of their new tees down in my description box. Look how cute it is. It says untouchable. Yeah, so go copy one. All right, y'all, so the hair is about 80% dry, and this is what we're looking like. So let me get into the specs of this hair. This hair is from Unice Hair Company, and they sent me their 6 by 4.5 lace closure curly wig in the inches, 20 inches? 20 inches if I'm not mistaken. And this hair is glueless, 100% glueless. It's pre-cut and pre-plucked, as you can see. If you saw the clip in the beginning, I literally did nothing but add baby hair. I also washed this hair before I put it on, just for safety purposes. And yeah, the curls are bomb. Oh, this is 150% density as well. And to be 150 density, this wig is full. And the hair does get bigger when it's dry and as the day goes on, for sure. I just want y'all to see that this wig is not glued down, like, at all. And the wig fits very snug. There's an adjustable strap on the inside that you can use to make the wig secure so that you can wear this glueless. Y'all, this is the perfect summer wig. Like, this is definitely gonna be my go-to, especially because it is curly and it is glueless. If you guys would like to purchase this hair, I will leave the link down in the description box for you to get. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends so we can be cute together. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.